last name, please?
LaFray Hill.
And how do you spell your first name?
L-A, capital F-R-A-Y-E.
And so what happened tonight?
I was on the bus.
Okay.
So we were coming through the light, and this red truck here tried to beat the light. We were already coming through the intersection, and it missed by a long shot. You know, it had the lady was thrown clear across the bus, and you know, I was okay, but it was horrible. Then he got out, looked at his truck, and walked away.
So he walked away from the incident?
Yes, he walked. He was turning left, so I'm kind of figuring he might live down this way. So he just kind of walked away. He limped away, actually.
So how many people were on the bus?
About like, I think 6 or 7 of us. It wasn't a lot.
Was anybody injured?
Yes, there was a lady that was thrown like from the middle of the bus up against where it hit up in the front of the bus, and that's who the ambulance came and got her. But she was screaming. She got it bad. It was horrible.
So how did you feel when the car hit the bus?
It was a shock.
Yeah.
Everybody started screaming. I was screaming. It was shocking. I can honestly say I probably was in shock for about a couple of minutes, you know, but for the most part, I'm okay.